they are looking for a tenant. For a tenant, they want to rent that out, rent that particular push cart out. They are looking for somebody who could pay for this push cart on a daily basis. Could be 1,000, could be 800, could be something like that. Those people here, what the trouble with the Pakistani public is that we are always crying, we are always whining that I have been looted and cheated upon. The government needs to accommodate me on a priority basis. But the trouble is the overwhelming number of the Pakistanis, they are dishonest people. Unfortunately, we were talking about a little bit earlier about the electricity rates. Now there are plenty and plenty of people, they are quite well off, but they are having more than one meter at their home, more than one electricity meters at the home for the purpose of availing that subsidy. So the trouble with the Pakistani public is that we are not honest people at all. We are not trustworthy people at all. On the other hand, unfortunately, our rulers are even more untrustworthy. They are more dishonest. They are more cheater. And there is a phrase in the Punjabi or Urdu कि आवे का आवा ही बिगड़ा हुआ है. We the people of Pakistan, the rulers of Pakistan, if, the elites of Pakistan, the poor in Pakistan, unfortunately, we are not honest people at all. Now, looking upon the poor, there is a contradiction. The Pakistan is the country of contrast. Why do I call it a country of contrast? There are people who have such a huge sum of money, they don't know how to consume it. On the other hand, there are people who are looking, who are craving, who are so desperate to earn the very basic of their needs, who are looking for a dal chapati, but it is not easier for those people. Pakistan, unfortunately, is a country which is a country of the elites. Mean all the resources, almost all the resources, are dedicated for to provide the luxuries of the to the elite class. Look at what the bureaucracy is enjoying. Look at the assembly, what assembly members are enjoying. But the really poor public, they are suffering a lot.
ٹھیک ہو گیا جی، تھینک یو ویری مچ درویش صاحب.